Hey guys, it's Risa. How are you? Look what I'm doing. I have my hula hoop. I just wanted to tell you that I have lost 120 pounds over several years. For those of you that don't know me, I lost 60 on my own, and then I got stuck and the scale wasn't moving. So, a little short story, I ended up hurting my knees. I went to the doctor and I found out that for every 10 pounds, you can feel like you've lost 30 pounds off your knees. So 10 pounds of weight and you feel like you've lost 30 pounds off your knees. And I joined WW. At the time it was Weight Watchers. And I never looked back, and it's been 7 years. Now I've started intermittent fasting, and I just did a video, so check that out, okay? I may not be an expert, people, but I have a lot of experience. So one of the ways that I lost my weight, besides walking and other exercises, is with this hula hoop. This is a weighted hula hoop. I bought this several years ago at a store called TNT. Now, you know that you can go online and find anything, right? So most likely Amazon will have it. This is the weighted one. I have a non-weighted one as well. And I absolutely love it, okay? And they do come in different weights, so you can decide. There's two different weights that you can buy. So you have to check out what works for you and what's good for you and see. But the wonderful thing about it is it's so small. I mean, it's an adult size, but you can take it anywhere. I'm in my basement right now. I do it in my bedroom, my living room, even my kitchen, okay? Not my bathroom, but I do it everywhere. Even at work, I take it to work with me as well. And it's fantastic. So you have to start off slowly, my friends, especially with a weighted one. And like any goal, you know, start with 5 minutes, then 10 minutes. You know, do it a few times a week and just see, you know, how you feel. Of course, you know, I love Netflix, or I watch my favorite TV shows, put on some music, and that helps to pass the time because, you know, with any exercise, when you have something that distracts you, it's going to keep you going a lot longer. So even when you are waiting for your laundry, if you're cooking a meal in between, during commercials, stand up and do some exercise. And that will really help to burn calories. But also, honestly, when I work out, it just makes you feel better mentally, okay? Of course, physically, it makes you feel better. You hold in your tummy, okay? And I hold in my tush. Because I'm holding my phone, I can't really demonstrate, but you can do some arm exercises. You can just do them without anything. You have light weights, or I like bands. You can buy exercise bands everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but you can go online and, you know, a lot of different sports stores you can check out for some bands. And there's different types of tenses for those bands to use as well. And online, you can watch videos that will help you to demonstrate different ways to use your hula hoop. So you can get a weighted one, you can get a non-weighted one. I'm going to try and turn around and show you that I have this big purple one as well. Hope you can see it. So I'm still doing it while I'm talking, you can see. And exercise is a huge part of your journey. And, you know, you have to make it fun. You have to try different things. It may not be for everybody, but honestly, I really, really promote it. It's helped my waistline. Okay. And, you know, you want to just find things that are easy to do and accessible. Okay. So if it's in your house and you don't have to run to the gym and you're tired, it's rainy, depending on where you live. If it's snowing and you can't get out and you don't feel like it, it's right there. Okay. And it's saying, please use me. You know, I know sometimes people buy exercise equipment, this big fancy exercise equipment, and they don't use it. They use it for their clothes, to put their clothes on. I have my treadmill in the back, you can see. I have my exercise ball as well. And variety, just like anything, is the spice of life, okay? So having variety and trying different things will keep you motivated. So you're going to want to do it. I'm not saying you have to do this every day and hula hoop, but it is a lot of fun and you will see a lot of differences. Again, when you work out, you're just going to feel good. You'll be able to reward yourself, right? And who doesn't want to be able to buy new clothes? Because your waistline's going to get nice and svelte, skinny, and smaller, right? So I really recommend this. I'm just switching hands because, again, I've been doing this for a while now. I just want to show you. I know people say, how do you do it for so long? I couldn't do it when I was a kid. Well, guess what, people? I couldn't do it as a kid either. I used to always look at people or other kids and go, how do they do that? But an adult size one is different. And like anything else, practice makes, that's right, perfect. So when you practice and you do it over, you'll get better at it. You can buy the light one that's not weighted and try it first, or you can get the weighted ones. So just check them out, okay? And I promise you're going to love it. So don't forget to subscribe and share with everybody because you know sharing is caring, right? We have to share with other people and pay it forward. That's what I've been doing. So for 7 years on WW with Wellness That Works, I'm always going to call it Weight Watchers. After I lost the weight, I've tried to pay it forward and help people so that they can see what benefited me. I wish I had people to help me. And I told everybody I wanted to be accountable so that if other people wanted to ask me questions. And the other thing I'm doing now is intermittent fasting. I needed to kick it up a notch too. You know, you got to always change things and find things that you enjoy. And I'm really enjoying it. And I'm going to do a bunch of videos. I just did one because people are asking me questions about that. I'm just showing you I'm still doing it. And I can do this for like an hour while I'm watching a whole TV show. And you will too. You'll be able to do it more and more and more as you practice, okay? So I hope this video was helpful. Again, don't forget to share with people and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.